What if I told you that one of the most viewed content categories on YouTube requires zero on-camera presence, zero singing talent, and can be built entirely with free AI tools in under 30 days? I tested this. I built a kids' nursery rhyme channel from absolute scratch. No studio, no animation team, no expensive equipment, and the results will change how you think about YouTube forever. The children's music niche is quietly one of the most powerful opportunities on the platform right now. Here's why. Kids don't just watch a video once, they replay the same songs dozens of times a day. That means one video can rack up millions of views on its own. Parents are actively searching for educational music every single day, which means built-in, consistent demand. Don't believe the numbers are real? Cocomelon has over 200 million subscribers and 216 billion views, with estimated monthly earnings between $365,000 and $5 million. This is not a small side hustle. This is a full-scale content business, and I'm going to show you exactly how to build your version of it, step by step. But first, here is what I created using this method.
To the beat. A, B, C, D, sing with me. E, F, G, 1, 2, 3. La, 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 shout with glee.
Step 1. Build your channel foundation. Start by going to youtube.com, signing into your Google account, clicking your profile icon, and selecting Create a Channel. Simple enough. Now, your channel name matters more than people think. It needs to be simple, memorable, and clearly connected to children's music. If you're drawing a blank, open ChatGPT, paste in the link of a successful channel like Cocomelon, and ask it to generate unique name ideas for a kid's nursery rhyme or educational music channel. Browse through the suggestions and pick the one that feels right. For this walkthrough, I'll use Play-Pop Nursery. Once your channel is live, head into YouTube Studio and add a keyword-rich description. Ask ChatGPT to write one for you. Just give it your channel name and tell it to include phrases like kids' educational music, nursery rhymes, and children's songs. Paste it in, hit publish, and your channel is already more discoverable than 90% of new channels starting today. Next, create your logo. Ask ChatGPT to generate 5 logo prompt ideas, then take those into an AI image generator like Google Flow to bring one to life. Set the aspect ratio to 1:1, generate a couple of options, and pick your favorite. Upload it to your channel and you instantly look like a brand people can trust. Finish the setup with a YouTube banner. Same process, ChatGPT for the prompt, Flow to generate it at a 16:9 ratio, then upload it in YouTube Studio. Finally, ask ChatGPT for a list of SEO keyword tags for your niche, paste them into your channel settings under keywords, and save. Your foundation is solid. Now let's build the content. Step 2. Create your song idea and lyrics. Everything in a kid's music video starts with the song. The visuals, the animation, the thumbnail, all of it flows from this step, so get it right. Click on the Google Doc link in the description below to get the full prompt for this, but if you want me to send it to you, comment prompt and I will send it directly to you. Next, copy the first prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and you'll receive 10 different kids' song ideas instantly. Pick the one that resonates most, then use the second prompt to have ChatGPT write the complete lyrics for that idea. In under 2 minutes, you have a full nursery rhyme ready to record. Step 3. Turn your lyrics into a real song. Head over to Suno AI and create a free account. Click Create, paste your lyrics into the lyrics box, then describe the style, something like playful, happy nursery rhyme with a fun sing-along feel. Add your title, choose a vocal option, and hit Create. I know Suno AI is paid, but they give you access to create 10 songs a day, so we will make use of that opportunity. Suno will give you 2 versions. Listen to both carefully and choose the one that sounds the most catchy and clear. Download it. Your song is done. If you're finding this useful, hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this video reach more people who need it. Step 4. Turn your lyrics into visuals. Now it's time to build the visual world of your song. Go back to the resource document, copy the image generation prompt, insert your song title and full lyrics, and send it to ChatGPT. It will produce detailed image prompts for every section of your song, verse by verse, chorus by chorus. Copy your first image prompt and take it to Google Flow. Paste it here and then select the 16:9 aspect ratio. Hit enter, and within a few seconds, your first image will be ready. Do the same for the rest of the prompts to generate all your images. Download the images when you are done creating. By the end, you'll have a complete set of colorful, kid-friendly visuals ready to animate. Step 5. Build your video scenes. Now we need to convert our images into videos. To do this, we will use a free tool called Google Flow. I have spoken about this tool so many times on this channel because it's worth it. We will use it to convert all of our images to videos. I will leave the link to Google Flow in the description below. Now head on to Google Flow and upload your first image. Click here and choose video. Select the aspect ratio to be 16:9. Now copy the first prompt to convert this images to video and paste it here, then hit enter. Within few minutes, our first video will be ready. Do the same for the rest of the images. Download them when you are done. Step 6. Design a high-click thumbnail. Before you edit, stop and build your thumbnail, because a weak thumbnail will kill even the best video. The formula for kids' channels is simple. Bright colors, the main character from your song, and your channel name. Nothing cluttered, nothing confusing. Copy the thumbnail prompt from the resource document, fill in your song title and channel name, paste it into Flow AI with the aspect ratio at 16:9, and generate 2 options. Pick the stronger one, download it, and set it aside. Step 7. Edit and finalize your video in CapCut. Open CapCut. It's free and beginner-friendly, and the link is in the description. Import all your animated clips and your song. Drop the music onto the timeline first, then layer your clips underneath, aligning each scene to the right moment in the audio. Trim clips to match the beat. Set the format to 16:9, and keep transitions light and clean. Turn on auto captions so kids can follow along with the lyrics. This alone boosts watch time significantly. When everything looks right, export in high quality and upload to your channel. That's the full system: channel setup, song creation, visuals, animation, thumbnail, and final edit, all without a studio, a camera, or a team. Now here's the truth. Watching this won't grow your channel. Taking action will. So close this video, follow these steps, and get your first nursery rhyme published. Then come back and drop a comment below. Tell me your channel name. I want to see what you build. If this helped you, subscribe and turn on notifications. The next guide is already in the works and you don't want to miss it.